When you book a heat pump installation with our team, a knowledgeable home comfort advisor will visit your home to begin the home analysis process. During the assessment, they will carefully examine your home size, insulation, and heating and cooling demands to determine the best heat pump options for your needs. Your advisor will take precise measurements of your home's square footage, assess for potential heat loss, and inspect vents and ductwork for any clogs or damage that could impact performance. This thorough evaluation ensures your new heat pump operates at peak efficiency, keeping your home comfortable in Alberta's ever-changing climate. Heat pump recommendations are thorough and made with your heating or cooling needs, space and budget in mind. Every equipment recommendation will also be appropriately sized for your home, which is crucial for performance and efficiency. Finally, with Action Furnace's no surprise guarantee, we guarantee that the investment quoted is what you will pay. There will be no additional charges during or after the installation. We arrive on schedule and will install your new heat pump as soon as possible to get you back to living comfortably. Our priority is to take the time needed to complete the installation to the highest standard, ensuring your heat pump runs at peak efficiency and delivers reliable heating and cooling year-round. Before we leave, we'll walk you through your system settings, maintenance tips, and warranty details so you feel confident in your new heat pump's performance. And with Action Furnace's customer respect guarantee, you can rest assured our installation technicians are the best in skill, attitude, and workmanship.